Hello everyone, my name is Shivash from National Sawmills. We started this business in 1950s by my great grandfather. By that time he used to deal in raw woods. Then my father steps in. Then he increased this business from dealing in raw wood to plywood. Then later on hardware also, and so and so. Then by last year I joined this business. Our shop is located near Manav Chowk, just opposite to Punjab National Bank, and our shop timings are 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. About our store, we mainly deal in Action Tesa products. Like if I talk about kitchen related material, like for car case, we deal in HDHMR boards, boilo boards, which are BWP in grade, only one in India, and for front shutters, we deal in UV boards, acrylic boards, ornament boards. These all boards are available in pre-laminate option. We also deal in commercial products like MDF boards, particle boards, which use in like public sector, like in banks, in school. We all deal in all further products like in school furniture, bank furniture, commercial furniture also. And regarding our prices, we provide fully worthy prices with respect to our material. And for extra benefits, we do arrange site visits for our customers so that customer can see कि प्रोडक्ट रो फिनिश में कैसा है, पर लगने के बाद उसकी क्या फिनिश आती है. तो हम उसके लिए साइट विजिट्स भी पॉसिबल करा सकते हैं. आप एक बार साइट विजिट कर सकते हैं कि कैसा प्रोडक्ट लगने के बाद क्या कुछ फिनिश लेके आए, कैसा कुछ क्या है. वी ऑल्सो डील इन वुडन फ्लोरिंग्स, AC3, AC4 एंड AC5. सारा ही कुछ मेटल हमारा रेडली अवेलेबल रहता है स्टॉक में. कोई ऑन ऑर्डर वाला सिस्टम नहीं रहता है, पर्टिकुलर एक्शन टेसा का तो खासकर, बिकॉज वी आर ऑथराइज्ड डीलर फॉर एक्शन टेसा इन अंबाला डिस्ट्रिक्ट. आई होप और आई अर्ज यू ऑल to please make a visit. If you can't, so there is a good news. Now we are available on platform called FBI, Foundation Brick of India, where you'll get each and every product display on their site with respect to their prices, and we'll make sure that you'll get the best prices on their platform. Thank you.